Hello everyone. If you are also confused how to contribute to Hacktoberfest, you have registered it but you are not able to find some good projects, then this video is for you. I'm gonna share the latest updates from where you can get all the projects where people talk about it. Okay, so people who are hearing Hacktober first time, basically it's a 1 month long open source program where you get the chance to contribute in amazing projects, open source projects, and you get the goodies. So only top 10,000 people who will make six eligible PRs will get these goodies, that is t-shirt, and rest will get badges and many other things. So if you haven't registered, register now. All the links related to it will be attached in this blog. Now first of all, the people who are confused, so you should know the latest updates for Hacktoberfest that you can get from Hacktoberfest official Discord channel, where you can find new projects. People are sharing their projects, and also you can share your projects. How you can share your projects? Uh, you just have to add an Hacktoberfest tag in your repo, then it's eligible for people to contribute in your repo. So I'm gonna share some of my beginners friendly repos where you can contribute, but majorly from Discord you will get all the projects related to you can find and contribute in this project. So it's a official DigitalOcean community on Discord. You will get here in the navigation section, so go and join, and here you can see all the channels like generals channel, introduction channel, off topic, deploy, live stream, Hacktoberfest projects. So people here are sharing this is shared by Hacktober DigitalOcean, but as a contributor, as a community, here you can share all the projects. like अगर आपको अपना शेयर करना है और आपको कोई projects ढूंढना है, तो you can get easily here. Also you can find Hacktoberfest project by just searching here Hacktoberfest. So you will get all the list of Hacktoberfest projects. Okay. I have searched this on my profile. I don't have to search Hacktoberfest. Okay. So I am searching about repositories. So here you will get all the repositories which have a Hacktoberfest tag, and in these repositories you can contribute. So Hacktoberfest Java, Hacktoberfest web development, like this you can search all the projects where it's written Hacktoberfest. Mainly, I think it's a intro or a blog type post, but with these tags you can find all the relevant tech stack projects. If you are not in from tech domain, you want to contribute in no code domain, you can find many repositories here as well. No code. Okay. So let me share some of my beginners friendly repos. Okay. I have shared many repos where you can get beginners friendly repositories where previously people have contributed it, and you can also contribute. Some projects like to-do list. This is very basic projects, and many people have contributed it. It has a Hacktoberfest tag, and you can also contribute if you are beginners friendly. You don't know coding as well, then you can contribute in the README, in no code, documenting it. Okay, and then you have more there's one more portfolio collection, free courses with certificate. It has a code as well, like you can contribute in the code where you can, it's a portal where you will get all the free courses with certificate. Okay, so here also you can contribute. Similarly many are, I will list all my repos in the description. Go check it out. अगर आपको कुछ भी doubt हो, I'm gonna solve all your doubts. Do comment on the video. I will bring more beginners friendly repos. Thank you for watching the video. Bye bye.